All right, so today is Monday, November 30th. Oh, let's pull it back down. 30th, 2020. If today is Monday, that means yesterday was what? Who can raise their hand and tell me what yesterday was? Sophia, I saw your hand up first. What was yesterday?
Sunday.
Yesterday was Sunday. Nice job. All right, Anderson, if today is Monday, tomorrow will be... Jose, what will tomorrow be?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Nice job. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. When we write the date today, Naomi, can you help me write today's date? Naomi? All right, Eli. Eli N., can I have you help me write today's date? We start with 11. Samuel, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Samuel, for being ready. Samuel, can you help me write today's date?
11 20 30
30, good job.
20
20, nice job. 11-30-20. Samuel, I really appreciate how you were ready to go. Thank you. All right. We're going to go to our days of the week. So make sure that when you guys are singing that you have your microphone muted. So that way that we can all hear me singing it, but I know that you guys are doing it at home, okay? Days of the week. 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 Oh, make sure you're muted. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, I had to put you guys on mute. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. Now we have months of the year, and I'm just going to leave you guys on mute because I had a lot of people unmuting, and then it was just a lot of background noise. So I'm going to have you guys be on mute, but I want you to be saying the months of the year as I'm doing it at the same time, okay? So make sure you are standing up. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all turn around. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all sit down. Okay, I am going to turn your microphones back on, but I'm only going to be calling on friends that use their raise hand button to help me out. Okay. I am wondering what the weather is like. So, today's weather is sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, or snowy. So go look out your window, meet me back here to raise your hand. I see 4 people already. I can only call on you if you have your hand raised. Naomi, when you give me your answer, I want you to say, today's weather is, and then tell me the weather.
Today's weather is cloudy.
Cloudy, I agree. Today's weather is cloudy. All right. Which one says cloudy? Does this say cloudy?
No.
Does this say cloudy?
No.
Does this say cloudy?
Yes.
Yes, nice job. So we're going to color that one in. How many days do we have for cloudy, Naomi? How many? Can you tell me how many, Naomi? How many are cloudy? Your numbers are right here.
Four.
So I should hear Naomi giving the answer. Xander, can I have you help out Naomi? How many days are cloudy?
Five.
So we have cloudy right here. And as soon as we stop at the chart right here, we're going to zoom over, and that's the number that we see. So, 4, nice job. We have this box filled in, and then we just go all the way over, and we see it's a 4. We have 4 cloudy days so far. Nice job. Okay, we need to figure out how many days we've been in school. Ooh, first thing I noticed, boys and girls, is that this 10 frame is filled up all the way, and there's no little ones. So that tells me that I'm going to know what number to put here, because there aren't any little ones. So, Alison, do we know how many little ones?
Yes.
How many little ones are right here? Just right here. Is there anything right here?
No.
No, it's empty. So we're going to have a 0 here. Now, I want you guys to count and figure out how many groups of 10 we have. Okay? So go ahead and count. You can count by ones or by tens, and then you're going to raise your hand. Aaron, I can see you're ready. Aaron, how many groups of 10? 6 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. 0 little ones. So how many days have we been in school, Aaron? We're going to look at our number. Is this the number 6?
6.
60. Nice job. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 days. We've been in school 60 days, boys and girls. Awesome work. Okay, last thing we have is Math Mountain. So if you are ready to help me with Math Mountain, make sure your microphone is muted. And I will be calling on friends to help me figure out the math equation, okay? All right. So, all these monsters decided that they were going to have Thanksgiving dinner. So, we have all 10 of these monsters, and they had Thanksgiving dinner. Well, some of the monsters had turkey. T for turkey. The rest of the monsters had mashed potatoes and gravy. All together, boys and girls, we know that there were 10 monsters because I pulled 10 counters out of here. Your job is to help me figure out, here's M for mashed potatoes, to figure out what my math equation is going to say. Something plus something equals something. So if you know what I'm going to be writing here, I want you to raise your hand. Help me figure out our math equation. We had 10 monsters having Thanksgiving. Some of the monsters had turkey. Oh, make sure you raise your hand. Some of the monsters had turkey. Some of the monsters had mashed potatoes and gravy. But I need help with the equation. Jose, can you help me with the first number? Jose, what's my first number going to be?
One, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So my first number is 4 because we had 4 that had turkey. Now we need to figure out the next number. So Jose, I'm going to call on another person. Samuel, what's my next number? Can you hear me, Samuel? Alexia, can you tell me what's next? Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Thanks, Alexia. Keela, what do I put on this last space here? 10. Okay. Bonus question. How can I write this equation by switching the addends? How can I write the equation by switching the addends? If you can answer that, please raise your hand. I want to write the equation again, but switching the addends. Make sure that if you raise your hand that you unmute to talk. Naomi, are you ready? Okay, what am I going to write if I switch the addends? I want to write this again, but I want to switch the addends. Remember flip-flop? Okay. And then what is it going to equal?
10.
10. The answer didn't change, did it? So see, boys and girls, we had our add-ins, 4 and a 6, and then we flip-flopped them. You guys remember that? Now it's 6 plus 4. We still get the same answer. Awesome job. Okay. I would like for you to get out your word studies. We've already done this page. So now we're going to start on this blank page right here. So make sure that you have it ready in front of you. You have all of your supplies that you need. And a pencil. Okay. So, let's take a look and see what our words are. On the top of my paper, it says app and ag family. So we have app and ag. So on your paper, I want you to draw a line down the middle, just like last time. Remember how we did that last time? And on one side, you're going to put blank, app. And on this side, you're going to put blank, ag. So we have app, ag. And at the very top, go ahead and put today's date. That way we remember what day we did this page. So I'm going to give you about 20 seconds to get ready. And while you do that, I'm going to make sure that I have all my supplies. So we have app, ag, and the date. All right. So now I want to look at my paper. And on my paper, we're going to go through and read each of these words. So if I call on you, I want you to help me read these words, okay? Keela, can you help me read the first word? Okay. Good job. I heard nap, nap. So, where would we put nap? Would we put it with app or ag? Good job. So we're going to cut out nap and glue it over here. So go ahead and cut yours out. And remember how we talked about keeping the scraps all together on our paper the best that we can? That makes cleaning up super easy. App, nap. All right, now I need to take a look at my picture and decide which one of these matches nap. So, Alexia, can you tell me, is nap 1, 2, or 3? This is nap. Two. This is a map. Map. But for nap, with an N, this is the person taking a nap. That's like when they're sleeping for a little bit. Nap. So we would cut out nap. And we're going to glue it right next to nap. Just like that. Nap. Nap. Okay. I'm looking on a friend to help me do the next one. We're going to be looking at this word here. So if you can help me with this word, I want you to raise your hand. Yes. This one? We're doing this one now. App, ag. App, ag. Yep, it has the dog tail right here. Do you see it? That's the page we're doing. It says sort 8. All right, Aaron, I see you're raising your hand. Aaron, I want you to sound out this word. Think about app or ag. Go ahead, Aaron. Oh, you don't know this word? Do you know this word? Wag. Nice job. Wag. That's okay. I call on everyone. That's how I make sure everyone's paying attention. Even if your hand isn't raised, I'm still going to call on you. Wag. Wag. That would be like when a dog wags its tail. So we're going to cut out wag. And I need help figuring out where does it go. App or ag? Jose, where would I put wag? On ag. Good job. All right, so we're going to cut out wag. Okay, just a reminder that if you aren't raising your hand to help, I'm going to call on you still. So make sure that you're doing your job. Oh, I don't want my G to get covered, so I'm going to move it down a little bit. There we go. And then we have a picture of the tail wagging. Wag. So we would glue that right next to wag. Okay, Liam, I'm calling on you next, so make sure you're ready. Okay, Liam, can you hear me? Go ahead, Liam. Xander, can you help me read this word? Nice job. Cap. Would it go with app or ag? Is that Xander saying it?
Yes, that was me.
Okay, I was just checking. So Xander says that cap goes under app. So I'm going to glue cap underneath. Jose, what am I gluing cap underneath? Nap. Good job, Jose. Thanks for making sure you're following along.
No, that wasn't me. That was Naomi.
Oh, okay. Well, let's make sure that the person I'm calling on is the person that's unmuting, okay? Sophia, is that you? Okay, but your job, sweetie, is to do this with the teacher. If you're doing it without me, then we're not practicing these words together. We need to do it together. The whole thing. All right. Adrian, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, Adrian, can you help me find the picture of cap? Xander, please mute. Thank you. Cap is another word for a hat. So is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Ready?
4.
1, 2, 3, or 4?
4.
4. Good job. Cap. It's another word for hat. So boys and girls, you need to make sure that you're doing these when class starts. Okay? That's the only way I can give you points for it, is if you're doing it with the teacher. Good job. Thank you. All right, my next word is for Samuel. Are you ready, Samuel? Samuel, I can't hear you. Can you take your headphones off? Your earplug, unplug it from the computer? Okay, Samuel, I'm going to call on you in a little bit. I'm going to check in later. Kendra, can you help me read this word?
Yeah.
Okay. G, 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 G. Rag. Good job, Kendra. Rag. So a rag would be like a towel, like a washcloth. Do you see any of these that look like a washcloth or a towel? It's like an old cloth. This is a rag. Can you say that? Rag. Good job. So, Kendra, where are we going to glue rag? Ap or ag? Good job. Ag. Ag. So go ahead and cut that one out. You found the right one? Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. So I have rag, and I'm going to glue the rag next to it. Rag. All right. Kieran, you're next. When you're ready, Kieran, you're going to help me with this word right here. Kieran, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see where I'm pointing?
Yeah.
All right. Map. Nice job. Is that ap or ag? Nice job. App. Map. App. Good job. Map. So we're going to cut map out and put it under, Kieran, what word is this? Cap. We're going to put map underneath cap. Eli, can you hear me?
I don't see a map.
A map?
No, I don't see the picture of the word. I see a map. I don't see the picture of the word.
You need help finding this part?
Yeah.
Look on your paper here. Map. Map. Look for the one that starts with an M.
Like right next to bag.
Jose, nice job. Jose, you solved the next word. What is it?
Bag.
Bag. Awesome job. Before we glue it, we need to find the map. So Kieran, is map 1, 2, or 3? Watch where I point. 1, 2, or 3? 1. Nice job. Do you see the map? It's the map of the United States. So we're going to glue that here.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, I'm so happy you found it, Kieran.
I didn't let this out. It's on here. It's on here.
Oh, you found it? Excellent.
I didn't hook that yet.
All right. We just have 4 more to go, and we have just a couple of minutes, so we really need to make sure we focus and that we stay on track. These next ones are a little bit trickier.
And this blue.
Jose, I cannot call on you. I need you to raise your hand, please. Jose, we're going to save questions for the end so we don't run out of time for this, okay? Eli, this is my 3rd time calling on you. Eli, can you hear me? All right, Allison. Allison, can you hear me?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, Allison, can you help me spell this word? We're going to sound it out, okay? Good job.
Bag.
Good. Bag. Bag. Which one of these pictures is a picture of a bag? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4?
4.
4. Good job. So we're going to cut out bag. Allison, does it go with app or ag? Bag. If I take off the first letter, see if it matches either of those. See? Ag. App. Ag. Bag. Ag. Your turn. Ag. Good job. Ag. So we cut it out. And then Allison said that this was the bag. So we're going to cut out bag and put it next to the word bag. Just like that. Okay. We just have a little bit left to do. Bracket, can you hear me? You're next.
Okay.
All right.
Tag.
Tag, nice job. Does it go with app or ag?
Ag.
Ag, nice job. If we took off the T, it would say ag. So we put it with ag. Tag, is that 1, 2, or 3? 2. Number 2, tag. So we're going to put tag under bag. And then we have the picture of the tag. First graders, somebody is unmuting and it's making a bell noise and it needs to turn off, please. Thank you. And then we put tag right here. So it's like a price tag. That's why they wrote the word tag. Price tag. Your page looks like mine. Can you raise your hand? That's going to let me know that you're ready. We just have 2 more left. Our time is up. I'm sorry, what? Make sure you raise your hand, please. Awesome. I see 8 people are ready with me. Thank you so much for being on task.
Well, I'm not ready, but I need to ask you a question.
Jose, we're going to wait till the end, okay? Because we don't have any time left and we need to finish these. Oh. Thanks for being ready without unmuting. Sophia, you have the next word here and it has a blend. So I want you to remember that blend, okay? Wow, that was perfect. Can you say it loud?
Flag.
Flag. Awesome job. Does that go with ag or app? Ag. Nice job. So we put flag here. Now, which one of these is a picture of a flag? Is it 1 or 2? 1. Nice job. So we put the flag right here. We're almost done, but then we're going to go through all of the words and make sure we know what all of the words are. And then your job is to practice these today. All right, we have one more picture and one more word. Okay. So they must go together. What's cool about having just the last picture and the last word is that the picture can help us if we don't know what the word is. So I want you to look closely at the picture. Okay, if you know the word, I want you to raise your hand and I'm going to call on somebody. Ooh, 10 people are raising their hand. Anderson, can you help me? Okay, Anderson, let's use all of our sounds. Are you ready? Wow, that was so quick. Nice job, Anderson. Lap, lap. Would that go with app or ag? App. Good job. And then this picture, they're pointing to her lap. That part of your legs that's on the top part. Lap. So we're going to put lap here. and then our picture here. So we should have all of these glued in the right spot. And then before we go, I'm going to call on friends to help tell me all of the words, okay? All right, if you hear your name, I want you to stop what you're doing and look at my screen and say the word that I point to, okay? Adrian.
Okay. Nap.
Nap. Good job, Adrian. Thank you. Next one is Jose.
Wag.
Good job. Next one is Kieran. Great job, Kieran. Next is Samuel. Can you hear me, Samuel? Oh, that's right. We were having trouble with your microphone. Naomi, can you go for Samuel? Here we go. Yep, your turn. Good. That was quick. Rag. Kendra. Kendra, your turn. Allison. Xander. Map. Good job. Thank you, Xander, for being ready. Lucero. Good job. Bag. Valeria. Keela. Good job. Keela, I'm going to have you read the last two because you're ready to go. Good job, Keela. I really appreciate that you stayed on task and that when I called on you, you were ready. Oh, Samuel, I'm sorry that your microphone's not working. I hope that it gets fixed because we're going to need it for our writing class. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to make sure that you practice these words today and read them to somebody at your house, okay? We're going to hop off of here and take about 10 minutes before we get back on for writing class. So we'll start writing class just a little bit late because we spend a little bit more time on this than we usually do. So you have about 10 minutes and then I want you to hop back on for writing. All right, nice job.